Alright guys, John and John back with another budget fishing item video. Today we've got mystery tackle box. This is actually picked up at our local Walmart. Jay found it today. We have picked up one of these in the past, but we think this is comparable to the cheapest mystery tackle box that you can buy. But we're going to take a look at it and see.
You can also see that this is a couple months old because the new ones are red and these are actually green. So that's, yeah, you can see that that's old. What do you open it from, this side?
I think there on the other side. There it is.
Oh yeah, definitely different here. Open it up. Oh, and then should be.
That's more akin to what the least expensive mystery tackle box usually looks like. And I think they're $20 or $25.
Yeah.
How much was this one at Walmart?
$17.88, and it actually goes up to at least $25 and above. So it is actually a better deal than what you normally get. This thing is like impossible to open. Hold up. How do you open this thing? It's from this side now.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, got it. Alright, well that still has your like measurer here, so that's still the same. Got your really old Bible thingy.
Is that the How to Fish book?
Yeah. Yep. When to fish different. I think that's actually good for new fishermen.
Take a real quick peek at this. Yeah, see, it's got different rigs. There's the Ned rig, wacky rigging, and we'll have some little jokes in here about how to make tacos, and then different places to fish. Here it tells you how to fillet a fish. Watching the weather when you're fishing, but it'll have a bunch of different information on how to fish some of these baits, and I said these are always good to have.
Then we got about 3 worm bait hook things.
3? That's better than we normally get.
Yeah. If y'all actually want to go to this app, then go ahead and take a picture or a screenshot. I don't know, do whatever. Just
scan.
Go ahead and scan that. Then we have what is this, like a spinnerbait?
Yeah, it looks like a spinner.
Like a shad colored like spinnerbait.
It's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, that's a nice bait.
That's a Guggen Squad.
Yeah, we like those. We got our ordinary sticker.
Uh-oh, I know somebody that'll like that.
Josiah.
Oh, Mom.
Then we have a couple
like
exo
this so much
swims.
You threw it on the ground.
4 exo swims. We had something just like this.
Yeah, I think we had those in one of our elite boxes.
Yeah, it was a whole pack of them, about like, what, 10, 15 of them. They were not good. Maybe these will be better.
Yeah,
Kind of have the white on the back, so.
That's a different brand there. Those might be better than the other swimmers we got.
Looks like a bluegill color.
What we got there. 4-inch. Yeah, they do look like a bluegill.
Then we have I don't really know how to describe what this looks like. Yeah, square bill, but the colors are, I don't know, kind of like a sunfish maybe. It has like the flash on the top.
Purple and blue in it.
Black on the top. Yeah, not a bad bait. Definitely can catch fish in our pond, maybe. Depends on the sinking thing. And last but not least, we have...
More swimmers.
No, those are not swimmers. Those are crawfish.
Oh.
Those are nice swimmers, Dad. Pull one out. Try not to make a huge mess here. So that's... Ooh! They have a scent.
Yeah, it looks like you loved it, too.
Oh, that's not a bad... That's a definitely decent scent for fish. Good-looking crawfish, though.
You use these.
Yeah. This is actually a really good-looking crawfish. Not a bad
good bait. Who makes that one?
Like swallow crawl, I guess that's what they call it. Oh, 10,000 fish, people.
10,000 fish. Swallow crawl. Yeah, infused scent with salt. I see you having a stroke over there.
Stuff like smells so bad.
Hey, it might work. So you gonna try some of these down there today?
Yep, definitely try some of these out.
All right, so let's see what we got here. You got a package of craws. You got the square bill here from Carl's. Amazing baits, the Golden Boy.
Oh yeah, I'm something like that.
Got the Biospawn Exo Swims 4-inch. We're actually looking forward to trying those since the other ones we got from that other company didn't really work. These do have like a bluegill perch color to them. So good.
Not a bad bait.
Here's the Guggen Squad Zinger Spinnerbait. That's actually a color we actually use. 3/8 ounce willow number 4. Yeah, that might be all right.
And last but not least, we have
3 hooks.
Better than the
Yeah, usually we get 2 or 1. Yeah, we've had some that only have 1 hook in them, so that's nice.
Then we have, you know, the sticking thing. If y'all want to get your last chance of looking at that, unless y'all go watch the video again. And then we have.
See, what this box didn't have that the other boxes usually have is the price breakdown in it. So this one didn't break it up, but I believe just from what was in there, this was a $17.88 at Walmart. And here it tells you should get around $25 value. We didn't check that out, but
yeah, this is also hard to close.
These are the cheapest boxes that you can buy from Mystery Tackle Box that we know of, is these. And if you can get them at your local Walmart, they will be a few months older than the ones that are currently out. But you're going to save a little money too at $17.88. So just for you guys looking for some. What are you doing? You're trying to kill me with that thing.
Yeah, I know.
So,
that's my job.
All right, guys, take a look at them. We appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.